Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Airdrop not working on iPhone without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, close it and you open it. For this, you have to go to here, tap on receiving off, wait for 10 to 20 seconds and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your iPhone. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general. Scroll up, tap on shutdown. You can see appears on screen. Drag the slide to power off. Slide to turn off your device back on. And wait for few seconds and turn your device. And problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is update iOS version. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general. Scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact whisper.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix Airdrop not working on iPhone is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.